The stock market, where you can become rich, poor, or extremely emotional, all before lunch. Here's how it works. A company says, hey, we need money, so they sell tiny imaginary pieces of themselves called shares. You buy one, and congratulations, you now own 0.000001% of a company that doesn't know you exist. If the company does well, your tiny piece becomes worth more. This is called making money. It is also the only part of the stock market anyone understands. If the company does badly, or honestly, for no reason at all, your tiny piece becomes worth less. This is called the market correcting itself, which is a polite way of saying, you got. Experts will tell you exactly why the market went up or down. Other experts will tell you the exact opposite. Both will sound very confident. Both are guessing. This is called doing research. What it actually is anxiety with extra steps. Sometimes, everyone decides to buy the same stock at the same time for no reason, and it goes to the moon. Then everyone panics and sells at the same time, and it goes to the floor. This is called the market, but you could also call it a group chat with extra steps. Experts also say to diversify your portfolio, which means don't put all your money in one place. Most people hear this, nod thoughtfully, and then put all their money in one place. Every so often, the whole thing crashes completely. Nobody really knows why until afterward, when suddenly everybody knew exactly why all along. And the people who actually make money, the ones who bought something good and then just waited for years, doing nothing, which is the least exciting advice in the history of advice, so nobody follows it. So that's the stock market. Buy low, sell high, and try not to have a nervous breakdown in between. Good luck out there.